Hey guys, welcome back. So we're just outside of Mona High School. This is where we're starting the video today. So Mona High School off Mona Road. I wonder how many Mona High past students are on the channel. Let me know in the comments. So welcome back to the channel, guys. You know it's Rush, the Discover Boss. And we're on Great House Boulevard. And I know you're seeing in the title where we're heading today, so stay tuned. If you're new to the channel or if you've watched a few videos but haven't yet subscribed, definitely subscribe to the channel. Remember to leave a comment, remember to like and share. And even if you're thinking about supporting the channel financially, we have PayPal and other options, you can donate to the channel as well. So we are heading on to Karachi. So stay tuned, guys. Alright guys, so it's Karachi Avenue. That's where we're at today. Just doing another community drive. We've done quite a few on the channel. So we're just continuing the community drive trend, or the community drive series, for you guys. As usual, once you've lived in this community, or probably you're still residing in this community, or you grew up in the community, just let us know in the comment section as well. So just we're passing Colombo Close. And we're approaching Oak Road and Pines of Karachi as well. So a few townhouses, a few other detached homes as well in the community. And we just passed Liguanea Drive, and we have some more townhouses on the left, some in front of us as well. And then this is Pine Boulevard. Alright, so still on Pine Boulevard. So we'll go up this hill. Some very colorful homes, some very nice homes up this side as well. And a lot of townhouses. So the sun is shining, but the rain is doing just a little bit. And again, some nice views because we're now going up in the hills. So some really spectacular views from these apartments. We have some like this one we just passed, still under construction. Very nice. Then we have a helm closed on the right. So sun is shining, but the rain is doing a little bit, not hard, but you know, still a little bit of rain. So Pines of Karachi. Showing you guys around the community. Such a nice view. Hope you guys can see that. Very nice view. So we're now going on to Maho Drive, coming off Pine Boulevard. Some really nice houses up here, guys. Remember, drop your comments. You know, maybe I have a friend up here, a family. Probably have been up here a few times as well. Nice community. And then Maho Drive ends right here. So Pines of Karachi, sorry, I keep saying Karachi. Pines of Karachi. Pine Boulevard, Maho Drive, Karachi Avenue. Even this house right here under construction, they're gonna have some lovely views when they're finished. Right on the edge, you know. Houses like these are not easy to build. It's like an engineer marvel, because there's a lot of planning and engineering and infrastructure that have to go in play. But yeah, so this was just a quick video, guys, just showing you around Karachi. But what I'm gonna do as well, I'm gonna end the video by showing you guys some of the view from this area. So that's what I'm gonna do. So thanks for clicking, thanks for watching, thanks for all the support, thanks for everything, guys. That's gonna show you some of the views from up this side, so you see exactly what we can see. So just a moment, and leave your comments, and I'll definitely see you guys on another community drive. So stay tuned, wait for the views.